Okay, we're just finishing off the filling of the reservoir with the water from the faucet, which was cold, and we've now got a total of a gallon and a half inside this reservoir, which is about how much water it took to get hot water out of the faucet. Now, instead of wasting it to drain, we put it in this reservoir, and now what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate on a real toilet, a real functioning toilet here. When we flush the toilet and the water level in the toilet drops, it's going to start a siphon in this tube right here, and it's going to draw this water out, and it's going to put it in the tank instead of conventional makeup water. Now, the makeup water will operate anyway and top off whatever it still requires. This is not going to be enough water to completely fill the tank. This is a very typical tank. It's not one of your low water flush tanks that you can now find. You can find tanks that require 1.6 gallons, and they oftentimes require 2 flushes because they don't really work as well as the older tanks. This is one of the older tanks, and each flush does work well on this particular tank. So now we're going to flush the toilet and start the siphon. Okay, as you can see, and we'll start that just mere seconds ago, the water is quickly draining from the reservoir into the tank to displace water that would otherwise be required from the makeup, and that whole process is going to wind up taking about 15 or 20 seconds. As you can see, the siphon is getting close to ending. You'll hear it. There it is. It just reached the bottom, some air vented in, broke the siphon, and it is ready now to accept the next cycle of water this way. And this concludes this demonstration of the siphon water saver.